I'm trying to make a little change, mommy thinks that I'm insane. Trying to make out the real, these niggas know that I'm a game. And let me tell you one fact, we ain't defending, we all out attack. Disrespect ours and I'm coming right back. I can tell you about him, man, you know he just slack. Trying to double tap waps, separate fake from real, that's rap. My nigga tryna make out the sea, that's a fact.
All my brothers trapping hard up in a bando, screaming free my nigga, we've been talking through a Zanko. R.I.P. M, all he wanted was them bankrolls. Hard to get it right when you ain't getting it legit. Hitting cells like Vegeta, going Q as a kid. Niggas asking me for favors, I don't owe them shit. I remember them days, I ain't had a pot to piss. Don't talk about risk, my nigga, I'm taking them. All these one-on-ones like check, I ain't saving them. If you saw my eyes, then you'll probably see the pain in them. I see you hating, but what's all the hate for? Is it cause we're about to blow like some claymores?
I'm trying to make a little change, mommy thinks that I'm insane. Trying to make out the real, these niggas know that I'm a game. And let